This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by David Walsh. Beautifully and elegantly updated open 3 halves Brava model in the delightful Mediterranean-style Villa d'Este neighborhood. Cathedral and vaulted ceilings throughout. Remodeled open floor plan for kitchen, dining and living includes soft linen window treatments, new recessed lighting, new quality custom cabinetry. Newer stainless appliances include 6-burner gas stove, new quartz countertops and sink with Carrera marble backsplash. Master bedroom and bath upgrades include truly luxurious oversized tile and glass walk-in shower, new quartz double vanity and mirror and new custom linen window treatments. Gorgeous tile flooring throughout entire home. Be prepared to fall in love once you walk in the door. Truly a rare find. For more information, review the details below.